For smooth text animation in After Effects, first select the type tool and type your text and do specific adjustments to text. Now open the text layer, click on Animate and choose Position. Animate the y-axis value to 100. Next click Add, Property and then Opacity. Set the opacity value to 0. Now open Range Selector 1, add a keyframe to offset at the start and set it to -100. Move few seconds forward and set the value to 100. Keyframe will be automatically added. Now open Advanced, change shape to ramp up. Set ease high to 50 and ease low to 100 based on two words. Finally, enable motion blur by clicking motion blur icon here. And that's it. A clean, smooth text animation in After Effects is ready.